the level. Keep it on the level. Keep it on the level. I'm climbing up the...
Alright, here's the thing. The computer is actually detecting the drive, and that's going fine, but Windows isn't detecting the drive, and that's bad.
All month, all year, for my whole entire life. Who you know got a home, but seen to live on the road, looking like a black gypsy in a caravan of bros.
All my files are on my server's hard drive, but my server no longer exists because my brother needed a computer to play Rust with. Let's install a hard drive.
Music for the people, I used to rap on the train. Now I rap on the stage and I'm used to capital gain. I ain't asking for change, I'm good at coining the phrase. What I want is more than ever and never to fade away. Is that too much to ask? Good, cause I ain't asking. Already into action, I had your answer retracted. So stay about my business, it's crowded enough with me. You added it's just a witness I'd rather not even see. I'm good with the folks around me, get from round me before we commence the clowning. Yeah, keep it on the level, yeah, keep it on the level. I'm climbing up the ladder while you in need of a shovel. Skedaddle.
I'm pretty sure that it was the SATA cable. We'll see.
I'm climbing up the...
So, I'm gonna have to try and figure out why Windows isn't detecting the drive.
Keep it on the level.
Either that or just port over the folder, connect the drive into another computer. Just do that.